Ma'am?
Oh, you didn't have to. Come on in.
Mrs. Sampson, I was surprised to get your call.
Well, for goodness sakes, Gary, you're an old family friend. Besides, you have to bring in those great pastries or cake or what?
Remember what you like.
Well, bring you and that dessert into my kitchen right now. Come on.
Yes, ma'am.
It is so good to see you again. You can put that right here. Iced tea?
Sure.
Here you go. Sit, please. So, how are you, Gary?
You mean in general or the particular thing?
I mean, how are you?
I'm good. Well, not good, but I'm trying.
I can't imagine.
I replayed it a million times. Fast, slow, it still comes out the same way. Mrs. Sampson, I can't do this. I just can't.
Well, when do we, Gary? When?
It's hard for me.
I know. Me too. It's just some pictures. You're in here too.
I see him all the time.
Please? This is him in the good way, the fun Bobby. I don't know that other boy. Boy, he was a man. There you are. Look at the two of you, how young you both were.
Badass. Best boss.
You were.
You know, I'm glad I was able to see it before.
Having you come over is like a piece of him being here. I do appreciate it.
What?
Can I check the dessert? What did you bring? Oh my, your special chocolate cake. Oh, just tape it to my hips, why don't you? But first, we got some stuff to do, don't we?
You are scaring me. What's this? No freaking way. No way.
His favorite. Will you help me?
You used to make this for us all the time. He was addicted to it. I didn't mean it like that.
Oh, stop. He was. This was his favorite comfort food, handed down to my mother from her mother.
What can I do to help?
Well, first you can turn on the stove. You know what he would say as a little kid when I would make this? Kicking dumplings. I swear it was so cute. Mommy, make me some kicking dumplings. But later on, he wouldn't eat anything I made him.
It just wasn't the same person. Not at all.
Those drugs the army doctors gave him. Why? He wasn't even the same Bobby anymore. And then he started doing other stuff, and I
know.
All the smart people in the world, you know, they can make things go faster, make them better, can operate on hearts and brains and provide prosthetic limbs. We can fix all that stuff, but not their souls. Well, I begged him to continue psychiatric services.
He didn't want the help. Or he didn't know what to do. I tried to help him too.
Oh, I know you did. I've kept his room the same. You want to see it? I've got to get started on this chicken, but you go on up there. You two used to play up there all the time and have sleepovers. Go on, go on.
Gary, come up, man. Hey, don't squirt me. You got the army man? Yeah. Yeah, I got the room all set up. Let's go.
Oh, Gary, I just couldn't do it either at first.
Mrs. S., I can't do this.
Please.
I just
Gary,
can't.
please. I'm sorry, Gary. I shouldn't have asked you to do that. I want to make things better for you.
The house, the memories, even the food. All right? The guilt. It's too much.
Please. You're the closest memory I have of him. Please come back inside. I need help with this meal. We need to share a meal that he loved. Please.
How can you want to see me? Hmm? Don't do it. I have a gun in my hand. Stop right now. up! I told you I had a gun in my hand, man. What are you doing? Hey. Bobby? Oh no, Bobby, get up, man. Get up. Come on, get up, Bobby, get up. Bobby, get up! Come on! Bobby! Bobby, please! God, help me! I live not too far from my restaurant, and I ran right over there as soon as I got the alert on my phone. I didn't know that it was him. He pointed a gun at me. And dear God, I didn't realize it was just a toy. I would have given him the money. Anything.
Baby. He wasn't connected to reality. That was not Bobby. Oh, Gary. Gary, please! Please, this means so much to me. I need to make this meal with you, for you,
How
and for
can
him,
you
please.
want me here? I killed your son, not some war, me.
No, Gary, it was the drugs. He was living God knows where. He was doing who knows what. He wouldn't get help, Gary. I cried. I prayed enough for 10 lifetimes, but I don't know what I did wrong. But it wasn't Bobby. It was not my Bobby.
You did nothing wrong. It's not your fault, Mrs. S. Not at all. My mother told me that people have to be open to change and let God do the rest.
It just hurts. It just hurts so bad.
I'm sorry. Please forgive me, Delores. Please.
Oh, sweetie. Sweetie, I already have. Come on. It's gonna be all right. Come on. Come on. It's gonna be all right.